Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you that how to prepare the if you receive any dashboard in Excel and how to implement that in the same manner, same everything. So let me show you. Here I have data, means the using this data we need to create this, since it's a static data. I know that usually don't receive like that. So what you need to give it to that to the customer in customer requirement base. So here have a static data this, and since I'm considering as example, and this is a pie chart, and also they want similar manner, same format, wanted to implement everything, color, everything they want same. So for this, say this, I created that in a similar manner, and also the same, everything is same. So for this, you suppose you wanted to see the how much sales in the quarter, so you can see that. Also here I have a category 2. They don't ask for any filters, so I didn't add that. But if you want, yes, you can add that too. So I can show you that how to add that. So you can add here and you can synchronize it also. So let's, instead of wasting your time, let's start the creating dashboard. So for this, first of all, change the background color. So let's add the tab and go to the visualization, go to the format and background color, select black and change the percentage 30%. Sorry, let me change the 60%. Then I want this visualizations, definitely we need to be structured. So start from this table. So we have already data here. So data part, this Excel has a data. I will upload data in SharePoint, so you will be able to export the data or to see this. These are the categories here we have data. So now let's start building it. So for this, use the community. So this, then let's remove the, I want just total here. It's a total. Then also can select that. Let's select all instead of selecting one by one. Let's select all. Then total. So let's format it. Here I have everything, and let's select that and categorize it. So see, just I selected the table only. By default, table is selected. So now I would like to change the header. So I want to do font color to be white, background color to be black, and little bit increase the font to 15. So font increase, but it is a too large. So let yes, it's looking must be adjusted. So now I did it. Oh, it's too. Yes, correct. Now next part is that add the pie chart. So first part has been done. See this. First part has been completed. So font size, obviously you can adjust that. Let's adjust the, come to the pie chart. Here we have a pie chart, and now pie chart require the July, August, September. So for this, select here and total, and here don't want total. So for this, go to the filter option, community months, and select all, remove the total not required successfully. Now I don't want to show this title, so for this, come to the label. No, it's a legend. So legend title must be closed. So I close the title successfully, and I want to be coming below bottom center. So say this, I change it. Now we need to place here. We have a lot of space here, so I can adjust that and it increase the width. So now these are the color, and let's talk about the coloring part too. So background color is black. So let's start with data color. So first 1124 So 1124 is required. This color, sorry, September, not September. It's September. Yes, correct. September is coming this, and then come to the August. August color is this, and September color is this. Sorry, July. July has a color this. The bit color is different, but you can use the color as to be requirement based. I'm giving as example, so let's change the background color too, and a little bit transparency to be required so that visualization to be. Let's change the change it to the title and everything in color to be white, background color it has by default, and I wanted to come to the middle. Next, legend, all legend to become in white font color, done. And then next is data label. Data label also come in color is white. Now it's looking perfect. Definitely you can adjust the size if required. So next part is that bar chart. So bar chart, let's add the bar chart here one by one. So okay, then here have a July, August, September, and there is each have different categories. Let's add the month and then and total too. So for this, oh, this is not good, which I have taken that. Yes, see this total is coming perfectly, but little bit size of constraint for it. Adjust the size so that correct. And adjust little bit up, little bit wider, and little wider too. And I wanted to change it. Change it successfully. Here we need to also create a little bit of space. Let's do not have a total, so let's remove the total from here also. So commodity month. So let's remove the select all, remove total too. So that view can be changed, and also okay, all legend to become in background, legend to be bottom center, title shouldn't be display. We will going to change the background so that time we shouldn't impact that. List of axis. Also exists font color to be white and y-axis font color to be white. Everywhere you can change the font color white because you need to use the background color black, and then close close it, red line, you can close it, and now let's data color we can change as per requirement. So let's data level to be white, and instead of auto you can give the none so that it has exact value. Data level, right now I know that is not displaying, but once I change the background and title everything it will display. Now change the, what is the name of this community cells for each month. Let's copy. That's perfect. Let's try to be little bit adjust that. Change the font family to Calibri. If you have a specifics, yes, you can do that also. And now change the background color. So background color is red. See, this is it's coming the axis title. Done. Next, come to the cross cell statics of the quarter. So for this, use the, see this visual we have added that. The visual image area chart. So the area chart is this. Add that, and after that, let's expand to the till end, and then increase the width and adjust it little bit, and here too, and apart to little bit. Okay. Now here community one. So give the month community one, community two, community three, community three, community four. So now I don't want to display the total, so remove the total. Only need a community 1, 2, 3, 4, and numbers. So let's change the number here. Start from legend, legend, legend title, legend to become in, legend to be on. Legend is not required, so that it has a much space here. Then x-axis title is everywhere changed to white, and close the title. Font color is equal to white, and next close the title, and next grid line to be off, grid line not required. Then come to data color. You can adjust data color if you need each one. Data label, and then shape it. Background color to be red, 43%. Color combination to be same. Just come to the title, cross cells, and then change the font color to be white. And in middle. And best is looking alignment is starting is good. What he has given the middle, so you can give the middle. And see this almost same chart has been created. Then if you wanted to give the label name, so yes you can do that. And here I think I set to the wrong categories here. So instead of that, you can select this field. Attribute, attribute and value. So this. And now change it the label to data label to automatic to none, so that it will display the values. Okay, for this what you need to do, for if you create a every summary table, so what you need to do, data modeling is required here. So since we have built the dashboard now, so we need to be change the data model. So for this, data is coming this manner. So I created the duplicate copy, and then after, what I did here, I unpivot everything. So let me show you. Let me create the copy, duplicate copy, and then select everything and unpivot it. There's a column called unpivot. Unpivot selected only. Say this. It will change this manner. Now the total is coming here, value is here. So once you select that, close and apply, use this column and this column, attribute and value. And this way you can easily uh, value can be populated. So little bit modeling required, not much. And since I didn't use any DAX, so see this, without DAX you can also prepare the Powerbi dashboard, but just only one skill is required to building the uh, color and bit logics required, nothing else, and understanding of how to operate the Power BI app. That's it. And now, if you wanted to give the name, so let me copy, add the text box and give the name here. See this, I have only text box. What I need to do, just add the text box and give it to them here. I don't want to display the color, so close the bracket, nothing else. And next part is that refresh part. So refresh part, definitely you need to add the now function by create the custom column as you wish. There are multiple ways. Then add the card here and then select the refresh state and adjust the label size to 10. After that you can stop the categories and say this. Now it's come, since I did it, so I don't want to be displayed. Now, if you wanted to copy this, so since I don't want to copy it, so for this, what I need to do, I already did it. See this, refresh. This is the label, and this is a tax box. General editor. This is a card. I already show you that how to build it. And now see this, the look can be same, little bit different, but look can be same. Maybe color little bit binary, but it will change the color. More color if you wanted to add it, yes you can. अगर आपको if you like this video और आपको ये अच्छा लगा है, then please subscribe my channel and let me know if any question. Thank you so much for watching my video.